This is your math choice board. This activity is make a 10 to subtract.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make 10 to subtract. This is the first problem that you have. It says 15 minus 7 equals something. You guys have some numbers here, but I'm not going to put them there just so that I can explain it to you. I'm going to leave them blank for the time being. Alright, so here's the deal. 15 minus 7 equals something. I know that you guys might know the answer by using your fingers or using a number grid or using a number line. However, this particular page is actually asking you to do something a little bit different, and I'm going to show you. 15 minus 7 equals something. Well, I'm going to take this 7 and I'm going to put it right in this box, okay? 15 minus 7 equals something. The objective here is to make a 10. So if I have 15, can I go down and make a 10? I can. So right, that's what it's asking me here. 15 minus what is going to equal 10? If I'm not sure, I can start here, 15. I know minus means I have to count backwards. And I know I have to stop at 10. So how many hops do I need to do to get to 10? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had to hop backwards 5 spaces to get to 10. So 15 minus 5 equals 10. The next thing that I have to do is I actually have to take this 5 that's right here and I have to move it here. All right, so far so good. Next, I actually have to decide what two numbers together equal 7. So I'm missing a number, plus 5 equals 7. If I'm not sure, I can use a number line, I can use a number grid, I can use my brain. But I already know the answer, so I'm going to show you what I did. I started at 5 and I said, how many more do I need to get to 7? 5, 6, 7. How many more did I need? I needed 2 more. So I'm going to take my 2 and I'm going to put it here. And remember, we were already at 10 before, so now I'm not going to start at 15 again. Now I'm going to start at 10. 10 minus 2 equals something. 10 minus 2, 1, 2, equals 8. So that's what it's asking you to do. It's asking you to take 2 steps. First you subtract 10, then you subtract the next number. And then this is the other part of what it's asking you to do. It's telling you that now that you have the answer, right, you did it in 2 different ways. You subtracted 7 using 2 numbers. You subtracted 5 first, and then you subtracted 2. Now you know that 15 minus 7 equals 8. Just like here, 15 minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals 8. Except that instead of doing 15 minus 7, you did 15 minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then minus 2, 1, 2. So another way to say this is that you did 15 minus 5 minus 2 equals 7. It's the same thing. It's just asking you to do it a little bit different. All right? If you have any trouble, let me know and I'll help you out. You guys actually do have some help in your materials, and I'm going to show you that in a couple of seconds. Your materials have some arrows, and the arrows are there to help you. So I'm going to show you what you're going to do there.
This is the page that you're going to use for make 10 to subtract. After you write your name, you're going to take a look at the first problem. It says 15 minus 7. So you're going to take that 7 that you see there and you're going to put it in the first box on top. So it says 15 minus 7. Alright, so this is where you have your helpers. These arrows are going to help you. The first one is in purple and it tells you that you go from 15 to 10. count how many hops you have to use, and it tells you 5, because 15 minus 5 equals 10. Now you can put the number 5 in the box that's on top of the arrow. Now you see that there's another arrow. This time this arrow is worth 2, so you're going to write 2 in the box above it. This is how you get 10 minus 2. And we know that 10 minus 2 equals 8. You can use the number line if you need it. So now you know that 15 minus 7 equals 8. All right, now it's your turn.